Let me hear you say way-ho. Boom, boom, boom. Andrew Brown in the house. How you doing, brother? Boom, boom. I had to go boom, boom. The boom, boom hit me right before. It wasn't a coffee. It was just... Melez in the house. Good morning, brother. Just thinking about you this morning. Wondering how you're doing over there with your HELOC. I came into a little bit of cash this morning. I'm like, maybe I invest it into some sweet. And then I slapped some cold water on my face. Say, yeah, you don't need to buy any more crypto. You make any moves yet? Ugh. I feel like I'm getting sick. All right. Good morning. The doctor is in. Be sure to hit the like and the prescription. Be sure to hit the prescriber. Be sure to hit the prescriber. I was knocked out of the fantasy playoffs in my OG league last night. At one point, I was within 1 point, and I just needed like a sack, but then Minnesota gave up a touchdown, so that put me 4 down. And it's really frustrating because that Mahomes should have had a third TD, which would give me the win. I'm still kind of hoping that they change that, but I don't think it's going to happen. I think it would have been in by now. This upcoming, I got my work league, and then I got the channel league. And I have Josh Allen on my work league, which I want to win more than I do our stream league, and I'm going against Josh Allen, so that sucks. First world problems. Syria is getting bombed, and I'm complaining I didn't make the fantasy football playoffs. What the actual chart? Coinbase is so annoying with the holds, even moving crypto to their own wallet. I have to wait, what, like 3 days? You shouldn't have to wait that long. You don't have a Kraken account? Because Kraken's where it's at. I'm assuming they have a hold when you send cash over to. I send money to Coinbase, and I can trade it right away up to like a certain amount. 3 days. Yeah, that's not too bad. Kraken has better fees. I've discussed this. And like when you want to withdraw, you can withdraw up to 100 grand. I'm scared that when I like cash out and then I send it to Coinbase, one, they only let you do like 10K a day. I think you can call them and have them up that or whatever. But they're likely to say, oh, hey, what's going on here? I'm going to have to put a hold on your account. I'm not dealing with that. Look, everyone use Coinbase. I own their stock. I mean, I want Coinbase to go up, but I don't think Coinbase isn't crazy dependent upon, a few retail accounts here and there complaining because, they put a hold on my account. They make big money off stable coins, trading fees, holding the Bitcoin, I should say, for the ETFs and the Ethereum and blah, 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 blah. All right, we're still in the good morning phase. Got 4 likes. You guys got your testosterone boost going already. All right, let's get into the stock market. Bitcoin is at all-time highs. It was like, before I started the stream, it was like $100 away. It's crazy that Bitcoin's pushing 108K, and I'm bored as crap with this crypto market. I am so freaking bored. I can't wait. I need that altcoin season to come. I need it to really get jiggy. I'm excited for a real altcoin season. What say you guys? Melez is not. Well, no, don't start yet. Don't start yet. Let the Coinbase hold. Let me get that. Jason in the house. We're almost at 4 trillion. I play you in the playoffs this week, Jason. I don't think I'm going to win, if I'm being honest. I kind of because like I was mentioning, I have Josh Allen in my work league and I want to win that more. No, I take that back. What am I saying? I don't have Josh Allen. I have Josh Allen against you, but the guy I'm playing has Josh Allen, so I can't have him going off. So I need Josh Allen not to do well and still be able to beat you with other players. I'm glad it hasn't hit yet. I'm still emptying your truck out. Like, why do you guys, what the hell is going on? Kurt's just not even showing up anymore. That's just so sad. I'm sad. Sad. Is he over on Rumble? Kurt? Kurt getting all bent out of shape over freaking um, censorship. Oh, here we go. Another six months to 2 years without Kurt. A microphone. Ooh. A microphone. Check, check. A microphone. Hold on, guys. I'm getting a few things checked out here. A microphone. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding. A ding, a ding, ding. A ding, a ding, ding. Where did my chat go? Oh, all right. Here's one of them. Here's the other. Hoyt might be sad because Tado stepped. Yeah, he resigned. He would be celebrating over that. He's in a he. Who said he was in a roid rage yesterday? That might be the most accurate. In a roid rage because Google censored. All right. Ugh. What's going on, bro? Bitcoin was up. If I deposit cash as a hold, however, with a debit card, there's no hold, but the fees are crazy. 6K buy, they want 250 bucks. Oh, if you buy straight with the credit card, I mean, I don't know that the fees are that different if once you do it with cash. It depends on, even with advanced trading. Yeah, because I don't. Oh, 6K 250. Yeah, that's a lot. I remember I was gonna sell 30,000 or 20 or 30,000 in Ethereum, and it was $500. So that was just a straight trade. That was on advanced trading. I don't know if they offer better if you do maker taker. They probably do. But I think, like I said, Kraken's where it's at. The fees are very good. All right, what's going on here? Because MicroStrategy is down, and I think Bitcoin was at all-time highs, unless it's dumping. Yeah, Bitcoin's at all-time highs. MicroStrategy is a fickle beast. People are scratching their heads on that one. Coinbase up 2. You mean the S&P down 30? I think the rate decision's tomorrow, right? NASDAQ down 80. Tesla's probably giddy up. A giddy up. Ethereum 4,020. I take that back. What is Ethereum? Why is Ethereum not pushing all-time highs, bro? 4,007. I just want to move the ETH. What do you mean move the ETH? Move the ETH. You want to buy ETH and move it out? What do you mean you want to move the ETH? SPX with a little bit of a pullback. NASDAQ was at all-time highs yesterday, down a little bit. We haven't looked at the dollar. I saw a grayscale stock ETF that mines Bitcoin. Can't remember the ticket, but I think someone mentioned that recently. So is that ETH you already had or ETH you just bought? And what do you mean so was it on Coinbase and then you moved it to your Coinbase wallet? Oh, you have ETH. You have ETH on Coinbase and you want to move it to your Coinbase wallet? Coinbase wallet doesn't work with hardware wallets, does it? Oh, ETH you want to. So is that what you're buying mostly is ETH? You're just going to play it a little safe? Or you're just going to buy a decent amount of ETH, play it a little safe? Decent upside, minimal downside. Ticker is BTC, $47 a share. I find that hard to believe that BTC would be the ticker. No, there's no way that's the ticker, bro. Oh, it is. Mini Trust? Grayscale Mini Trust? Can I buy this? Did they move the Grayscale stuff off the OTC? I don't think so. Let's see. BTC. It's going to be hard to find this on TradingView with that ticker. Grayscale Mini Trust. Oh, it is on the NASDAQ. I mean, on the New York Stock Exchange. Oh, oh my goodness. You got a HELOC to buy Wojak. The balls on you, bro. Guys, I mean, Velez has got more, his nuts are more diamond than mine. Let me tell you, I would not have the balls, maybe if I was younger, to take a HELOC, put your house at risk, and put it on Wojak? That is crazy. I hope it pays off, obviously. We're going to be sitting around Casa de Tom in about 10 years. Velez is going to be telling the story of why he's the richest person in the village. Because he had the nuts to YOLO into Wojak. Kevin Henderson in the house. Risk it for the biscuit. Yeah, I mean, I'm risking it for the biscuit. I took out a HELOC in the deep recesses of the bear market. I put it in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, and Ondo. A little bit of Ondo in your life. And yeah. Yeah, I don't know anything about this. So is GBTC on the NASDAQ now? Because that's pretty cool. It is. This used to be on Pink Sheets over the counter. I couldn't trade it. It used to be a nice little premium on this sucker. Oh, that's right. I kind of remember them. When they were all getting approved, they moved this over. They have the highest fees, though, so... This used to be a really good buy because you were getting it at a premium, like you were getting it crazy undervalued compared to Bitcoin, but now it's all pretty much at parity. All right, let's see what we got. Coinbase only up $1. MicroStrategy down 6, make it make sense. Tesla up $11 to 474. Surprised JT's not here. Tesla. Kind of like the Panda song. You know, Panda? That's JT. Tesla. How did that song go? Panda. Something about a jet and his women. I honestly don't remember. Panda. Tesla. Target. He sold his Target. Mickey D's 300. Mr. Softy 450. Pretty boring market right now. No Tom is just a small top up. HELOC is for Sui and maybe some Mondo. I think those are both good buys. I really do. I hope they work out for you. I hope the top off works off. I'm still think Ondo has a lot of upside. I like Sui. I mean, I like their guerrilla marketing tactics that I think will work. Whether the blockchain is worth the crap, I don't freaking know. I haven't used it. I don't know if their numbers are fake. I've looked at their DeFi and it looks very suspect. It's definitely a VC-driven a team that knows VCs, that knows how to move, shake and groove. Probably a lot of VCs behind in it with a reason to pump it up. If I were to buy Sui, would be much more ready to sell it. Like that would definitely be a last in, first out situation. Like it's one of the last coins that I bought. I would be LIFO. One of the last coins I bought, one of the first ones I'd sell if it pops off. Someone was posting on Twitter, Solana is a 4x away from a $1,000 Solana is a 4x. And I don't know, $100 Sui's a 25x. Dude, I got news for you, bro. Sui's probably not going to 25x. It is a $14 billion market cap. It's probably not going to hit a $350 billion market cap. I would say 5 to 10x. And 10x would be extreme bull. Maybe so, yeah. 108, let's go. I don't know if that played. Did you guys hear that? I don't think, oh no, I gotta do this. A little bit of Ondo in your life. Yeah, this thing, now I can't You're not hearing the air horn, right? This thing, bro, I don't know. Like, I unmuted it. There we go. $108 Bitcoin. Everything else is pretty. Bitcoin dominance is going back up. That's a nice little. That altcoin season. This Bitcoin's gonna do what it does right here, and then the altcoin season's coming, guys. All right, let's try and wrap up the stack market. Jimmy 3066. Where's Ricky? All right, that's it. Stock market's a wrap. And 19 minutes in, that went fast. A little bit of Ondo. All right. Total crypto market cap, 3.7 trillion. Jason pointed out earlier, we're closing on 4, I think. We're almost at 4. It's been up 100 billion since yesterday. Well, maybe a little bit more. Feel like we were at 3.6 yesterday, right? Yeah. It says it's up 1%. Total 2 is 156. This is everything minus Bitcoin. This is at crazy all-time highs. Nope, this isn't even at all-time highs yet. Total 3 is everything minus Bitcoin and Ethereum. It's pushing a double top. It's at a double top. It's actually, no, it's down here a little bit. It hit a double top and pulled back. Total DeFi. I'm kind of curious to see this. We haven't looked at this. 142 billion. Last cycle was DeFi summer. And it peaked out at 200 billion. DeFi making a little bit of a resurgence. A lot of rug pulls are happening lately because of this. You got to stay frosty out there. There was a hack apparently with LastPass. I mean, I would have told you to stop using LastPass like 2 years ago. They've had some major hacks. So if you're using LastPass and if you had any seed phrases on there, unfortunately, it's time for you to get a new wallet and move your crypto to it, because there's been like, I don't know, tens of millions of money lost because of LastPass security breaches as of late. I mean, just a little reminder, don't put your seed phrases in the cloud. Don't take pictures of your seed phrases with your iPhone. Put pictures of your seed phrases on your computer. Put seed phrases on text files on your computer, in your OneDrive. You will lose your crypto. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. Put it on a freaking hardware device or leave it on the exchange that you trust. For most people, not your keys, not your crypto. I'm going to break some news to you. For 99% of the population, you're much better off just buying Bitcoin ETF and not worrying about it. Bitcoin maxis are going to lose their shit. I guarantee you plenty of Bitcoin maxis thought they wouldn't lose their crypto and they lost it because of stupidity, because they lost their seed phrase, they lost their wallet, they encrypted their hard drive, or they flat out had bad SecOps. Tattoo seed phrases from Momentum. Tattoo them like on your nuts, under your nutsack or something. So they want it. They're going to have to get a swath. Anyway, I digress. I'll probably, I'm going to reevaluate. I have a really good, but it's not even, even the 1%, you got to stay on your head, shoulders, knees, and toes, because they're coming at you. And like I mentioned yesterday, they panic you. They get you to just slip up. You had a rough night's sleep. You're not thinking clearly. You're hungover. Bam! They got you because you hit one on a phone. You hit the number one on a phone. Bam, it's gone. And then it's gone. The inside of your eyelids. Ow, that would hurt. All right, Bitcoin 108,000. Chugga, 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 choo, choo. I need to get that sound effect. I can chugga, chugga. And it's just blue chewing away right now, dude. To dollar filled up. Bitcoin is to dollar filled up, bros. 108. Are we hitting 110? 110 today? How bullish are we feeling? Today. How bullish are we feeling? I'm sounding like Crypto Angler. Repeat myself 3 times. Retail sales already came out. And sales are up. Shocker, people are spending money. Greedy Americans are spending money. So the Fed's tomorrow, Fed rate decision at 11 PST to EST. Is that going to move the markets? Probably not. It might. I don't know. It's weird. The risk there is they don't cut rates, then the market tanks. But I can see backdooring Powell. Hey, let's give Trump one last FU on exit. Or let's add to the FUs we're giving Trump on the exit. Crypto Angler gets asked if he's sick, feeling okay all the time. Yeah, I was listening to him yesterday, and I have a sickdar. I can immediately tell when someone's sick, and the first thing that came to my mind, he's sick. He might not be sick, but he is not getting enough sleep or whatever. But or maybe it's just because he sounds sick. I don't know about all the time. It was just yesterday, right? Because he sounded sick. It's easy to get that guy triggered, bro. I mean, I'm no pot kettle here situation. You guys get me triggered easy. I am so upset with Kurt right now. So frustrated. Guys, what are we going to do about Kurt? XRP 264. Apparently, there's a lot of shorts at $3. Anglers wound up. I don't know that he's necessarily he gets he goes from zero to wound up pretty quick, but he's kind of bipolar because he goes from zero to wound up to unwound up to back to wound up. Yeah, he's a loose cannon. Loose cannon. You should send him flowers. On to $1.95. What's going on here? Everyone told me this was on a rocket ship to $10. Why is this one down? Bitcoin. Did you guys say yes? Because we're pushing 109. Oh, that's the cash. Calm down. Cardano. Come on, Cardano. ETH. What's going on here, guys? Is everyone selling their alts to buy Bitcoin? Because that doesn't make much sense. I know. Down another penny. Celestia. What's going on here? Alts are bleeding. Bitcoin dominance. Blue Chew. C-Pool. A little cool off. You actually had a chance to pick this up at 41 cents today. Man, if I would have saw that, I might have picked some up. Zeus has been fluctuating pretty wildly. I wouldn't buy this one. Sweet at 481. It's just kind of holding up in an accumulation. Someone was telling me Ondo is in a bull flag. I don't know what time frame they're looking at, but that's not a bull flag. And you kind of one right there. The 1 hour, that's not, I mean, that's kind of a bull flag. Yeah, that's a bull flag if you stretch it out. Next stop. Not 240. I mean, that's not getting me out of bed. I'm not getting out of bed on Ondo to $10. Ricky in the house. We already talked about Jimmy. Jimmy's doing pretty good today. Don't ask me why. Get out, bro. Get out while you're up. Every single time you hear Bitcoin strategic reserve, you should put another 100 into Bitcoin. My life has been crazy. A month ago, I moved to an island. Where did Big Pay move to? Puerto Rico? Still sleeping on an air mattress in the living room. I was told I could have a ticket to get on the... Oh, gee, this guy's whining. The poor struggles Big Pay's having. Oh, he's withdrawn from nicotine. He's a smoker. Is that part of why he's packing on the pounds right now? Good for you for getting off the big tar. Everyone has an opinion on MicroStrategy. This screwed me last night. Sui wait too long and it's going to be gone. Shardy B is big on Sui. I think Sui's a good pickup right here. Again, I don't think the coin, I just think it's going to do well, but I would be ready to peel them profits off. I put in the title, Solana's cooked. Let's talk about Solana being cooked. $31. Solana is cooked. Peter in the house. JT in the house. Yeah, Tesla's in fuego. Kurt in the motherfudging house. Your ears must have been burning. We were disappointed in you, Kurt. I should say I was. I was sad you weren't here this morning. I'm like, is he really still pouting because Google censored him? Is that really the hill he wants to fight on? See, the people are happy to see you. People are talking about SBI Bank doing what MicroStrategy is doing and start to buy the Microsoft, buy this. Oh my goodness. The you XRP guys and your freaking speculation and rumors, it's just insane. Fed cuts are bullish until they're not. I'm sitting here right now trying to repair the main house. It's like $50,000 at least for repairs, which my family would be happy to go ahead and just stay here. I wish. Busy morning. We're glad you're here. We got we got the band. We just need Farnswoggle. And who do we need? We need Farnswoggle. You don't know Farnswoggle probably, Andrew. Retro used to be like the most consistent daily person there for the longest. Me and Retro were doing DeFi on Polygon and Harmony One before most. And then I love this guy. He's a waste of life, and I wish he would realize I don't fully follow. JT, you're upset that you're selling the house? You don't have to do the repairs. Yeah, Retro used to be here every day. What's crypto? I don't know. We'll check in. Let me talk about Solana. I started the title. HBAR and Link teaming up. Nah, don't believe shit, bro. Just buy crypto and let people make rumors and speculation and it's gonna go up. News is such a, like, what the F ever. You know what I'm saying? Like, whatever happens, happens. If some news comes out that pumps my bags, great. There's a 90% chance it's not true. But as long as it gets it to the next leg up, to the next rumor comes out, and we get it to the next leg up, ain't nothing spectacular or special happening this crypto bull run. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? That's too many. You know what I'm saying? Caleb Williams, a disappointment. I don't know. I have mixed feelings about Caleb. All right, a little bit clickbaity on the title. Sol is cooked. Who is this guy? Crypto and stock market analyst. The guy, I can't tell. How old does this guy look? Looks like he could be in his late 30s with little Brian Johnson anti-aging treatment going on. It's breaking down against Bitcoin, ETH, and others. Total 2, total 3. Yeah, I mean, what isn't breaking down against Bitcoin? I was one of the few that was bullish on it when everyone was bearish. Now I'm one of the few that is bearish while everyone is bullish. I've been bearish the whole time. And I was wrong. I underestimated the Kool-Aid and the sugar on that ecosystem and the ability for the VCs to spoon the sugar. And Pump.Fun, let's be honest. It will go up in USD price, but be one of the worst performing coins going forward. I agree with that. I'm sorry, Solana people. You don't want to hear it. But Solana, I think best case, $500. Like there's still that outlier. I don't know what the total crypto market cap's going to hit, but I'm thinking reasonable target for Solana is a 2x from here. 2.5x, 450 to like 550. I mean, its market cap's 106 billion. 300 billion market cap, 400 billion. I mean, a 4x would take it to like 900. That would be extreme bull, and I think unlikely. But calm down. No typical Cardano blub maxi. If I'm being honest with you, I think Cardano has more upside, but $4 to $5 is its. I would say $3 to $5, $3 to $5, $3 to $5. $4-ish, $5, $6 is, within reason. These $7 to $12 are, Kool-Aid sipping. Uh-oh. Speak of the devil, we were just talking about you. What's that blue thing on your mic? That is my high-tech way of fixing the audio issues. $5, I'd be content. Yeah, when I moved the mic around, this wire, it would hit certain angles and the volume would mess up. So I just taped it up. I can buy some black tape or whatever, but I mean, it's $400 for a new mic, bro. As I mentioned yesterday, I do have like $260 in credit on Amazon, so it wouldn't cost me that much. But why am I going to drop $400 when 12 cents in duct tape fixes the issue? You're the only one to complain about it. Is this a problem? If this is a problem, then we have a problem. Because I'm not dropping $400 just because blue tape's an eyesore. Well, I'll start a wallet and you mofos can buy I don't want handouts, but if you're gonna bitch and complain, and I'm not saying you are, but if this is a trigger point, it's giving me so you're really triggered by this. All right, let me create a wallet for you guys to send crypto to. Kurt likes the blue tape. Yeah, I don't think that's pretty common for them to use different colored tapes on mics and stuff on stages. $400 black paint job. Oh, Jesus Christ, JT. I don't know why you always have to give your opinion on how I spend my money and then throw in because I don't have kids or anything. Do you have any social decorum at all at times? Create a biz wallet and I'll send you some of that Trap Biz on Frontier app. My goodness. All right. Yeah, I don't like JT. There's just certain things you don't say out loud, and you continue to do it, bro. If you put it all wacky and not aligned, I'd be peeved. The laziness. Oh, yeah. I tried to make it as the wire. Oh, we're dumping the wire. Doesn't have a lot of. The angles in the wire made it a little difficult. We're dumping, boys. It's over. When it's over, Coinbase down 7. Holy shart. E-mini S&P down 34, NASDAQ down 130. Is there a leak on the Fed? Are numbers leaked? I mean, let's calm down a little bit. Bitcoin still at 107,000. It was a good run. Jason's tapping out. I'm not joking when I say this. I hate crypto. Thoughts on Mara? I sold it. Mara's garbage. That's a good question because you were asking about the Bitcoin mining. I wouldn't invest in Bitcoin mining, but that's just my 2 cents. I had a bunch of Mara and Riot last bull run. It did really well. I held it and it went down a lot in the bear and they dilute a lot. I don't know. I haven't checked in on them. But I don't think they're good investments at all. I had Mara, Riot, and Hut 8. I sold them all for like a $5,000 loss. I was up massive and bought MicroStrategy instead. And that's up $12,400. So there you go. Kevin Henry said, I'm going back to 100% index funds for at least 2 years. Nothing wrong with that. I won't be doing that. I will be probably just a lot of options trading. If there's a stock that piques my interest, I'm really nervous. Like I'm going to be okay sitting in cash and then just option trading with like 10%. 10 to 20% of my, say I have $100,000 in my stock account. I'll put 10,000 at risk in options. I don't know that I'll necessarily be looking to pick up any stocks because I'm going to be bearish. So maybe I'll be selling reverse jade lizards, some skewed iron condors to the, some calls. Sell some calls. Sell some call spreads. Dr. Payne in the house. Man, we have got a full house of old G's. How you doing this morning? Ninth like? Hell yeah. 1 like away from my beloved double digit. Can we get there? You guys voted yes on 110K. You dummies. That dream's over. I'm just going to sit here. Oh, we hit the 10th like. Another. You voted no. Just for that, I'm not going to give you. It's too. You're going to. We already got it, bro. Why is Solana cooked? Because this guy said so. It's breaking down. It's at the 31-minute part of my video. I agree there's less upside on Solana. I think it's cooked. Everything else has more upside potential, in my opinion, than Solana. ETH and Solana are... I think ETH honestly has more upside potential than Solana right now. ETH at 39.66. It gets to that 4K and just can't break out. Look how far above the bull market. Oh, we're on the 1 hour. Holy shnikes. Look how far above the bull market support band we are. We probably have that gap from yesterday still too, which sucks. Yep. I would have liked to have filled that. I don't like that hanging out there. That's all right. We can fill that later. When we're going into the bear market and maybe like 90's the bottom. Throw your predictions in the chat. How low will Bitcoin go in the bear market? You think ETH will double at least? I agree, or close to it. ETH has been a disappointment, says Jason. I agree. Peter says he thinks he's starting to get into Indian women. First of all, Indian women are fine until they open their mouth. And then second of all, aren't you married or have a girlfriend? Did you break up? Did you divorce? I thought you had a wife or a girlfriend, longtime girlfriend. Basically, 57 to 63, says Peter on Bitcoin. Come on, guys, play the game. Come on, boys and girls. All right, let's talk about Ramble Time. I'm on vacation next week. I might try and slap together some emojis for the chat. But you're going to have to buy the $99 monthly subscription to get them. I'm kidding. Be sure to join the course, link down below. Price is going up at midnight on Christmas Eve. Last chance to get that great Christmas present gift to your loved ones. For the low price of $3.93. Be sure to join the private Discord before that price goes up. That price is also simultaneously going. No, if you buy the course, you don't get the Discord. They're two separate charges. The Discord, the private Discord link down below. That for the low price before it goes up, $3.93. Contagion, illusion in the house. Bear market low, 74K. That is a little high. 80s bear cycle bottom for Dr. Payne's low 90. Man, you guys are bullish AF. I think probably going to go more towards where, like Peter said. This reminds you of AA. Why does this remind you of AA? Can we work out some sort of payment plan? I'm a little short. You're the boss. Give yourself a raise. Steal from the company. 48.9. That is definitely within question. That's definitely reasonable. You accept ADA every 5 days? I get it every 5 days. I accept ADA all days of the week. A microphone check. Oh, Bitcoin continuing to go down. You mean as a payment plan? Yeah. The prescription renews every 30 days on the Discord. A little dip in the 50s and everything's on sale. I'd like to set aside 25K and try buy half. Yep, that's a solid plan, Peter. We know about when the Bitcoin will bottom. No way it goes to the 50s. Sorry. Yeah, I'm pretty sure, Peter, last time you would have said no way it's going to, what did it go to, 15K? Pretty sure you were on that bandwagon last bull market too. I would have bet you 4 years ago you would have said there's no way Bitcoin goes back to 15K. $77 dip. Let's do some dubious speculation. A 50% dip takes it to 50,000. 60% dip takes it to 40,000. 60% dip, if this is the top, is on the table, bro. I was not here 4 years ago. Not with the ETFs and big countries. Yeah, the big countries haven't really bought yet. That's just all what everyone thinks is happening. Measure from your. Don't tell me what to do. I measure the length of my penis from my anus to the top of the shaft. 150K minimum. So okay. So if I don't accept your won't go to 50K thesis, why would I accept your Bitcoin's going 150K? It doesn't matter. Bitcoin can easily retrace back to 50K in the bear market. There's things that could happen. You guys might be right. Countries might start buying. And then this time would be different. But as of right now, it's not different. Tom includes the devil's inch. I also break out the pump. I read a thread. Some dude had a legit thread on how to like increase your penis size that works. It adds like an inch to it. But you had to buy this like $400 contraption and like basically exercise your penis. Come on, bro. I'm too old for that crap. Super cycle. You think it's worth me to stake my XRP and earn T-bills? I don't know what that means. Where can you stake your XRP to earn T-bills? If it's DeFi, probably not, because DeFi is risky. You don't buy in the super cycle. MicroStrategy is going to cost 50. Yeah, I meant to say that earlier. Valid point. You want to know how Bitcoin can go really low in the bear market? A blow up on MicroStrategy. Randomly found this guide. No, I won't say that I follow a lot of biohack people on Twitter. And it was a thread of all these different biohacks, and one of them was how to jack up your penis. So I was intrigued. It was a lot of work. That contraption was just like one of 7 different steps. And I'm like, first of all, I'm not buying a $400 device to just like jack on my crank every day. I don't need the inch. I mean, I could use the inch, but I don't need it. I'll start buying it at 80 and won't stop. Here's a biohack. Get those steps in. Yeah. Working on it, brother. I'm not worried about what price I think it's going to hit. I'm doing the CryptoCon November cycles theory, and it should bottom out around November of 2026. Whatever Bitcoin's doing around November of 2026, if it's low, there's blood in the streets and there's people panicking. I don't know what the price of Bitcoin's going to be, but I'll be buying. Whether it's 20K, 50K, or 90K. That's when I'm loading the boat. I am waiting for capitulation. And if it doesn't come and I miss it, there'll be plenty of time to buy still. It's not like it just immediately went to all-time highs. I totally read it. Yeah, I always read shit wrong. Get over it. You're going to buy it at 80 so it won't go to 50? Yeah. Well, why would I read it and why would I assume a smart person would say something that's not common sense? All right, Bitcoin's losing 106,000. Womp, 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 womp. Womp, 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 womp. Like FTX and SPF, Sailor is like the Bitcoin king currently. He can't do wrong, pretty much. Tom, will you let us know? I'm going to follow your portfolio except no ETH and no Ondo and no memes. Dude, why are you asking? Are you just playing 4D chess so that I tell the other people something you know, but you want them to know? Of course, I'll let you know. I am extremely transparent. I tell you when I buy it, what I bought it for, when I'm selling. I'm not going to tell you ahead of time that I'm selling. I'll tell you like in a tweet in the Discord. I need to start using tweets more. It could go to the low to mid 60s and everyone thinks it's going to 50 and then it won't. Cardano has been worried. Has you worried? You give me shit for not reading things right, and you can't type right half the time. Why does Cardano have you worried? You should not be worried about Cardano. If Cardano was still like 40 cents, then I would be like, it's over. Cardano moved up with everyone else and in a nice clip. And alt season hasn't started yet. I did see someone tweeting that the sentiment's turned bearish on Cardano. I don't think that's true. Every person on the planet is bullish Cardano right now. And the Cardano community is Kool-Aid sipping and pushing the narrative. Infighting on Cardano is worrisome. Whatever. I don't know. You can ignore that shit, dude. People are trying to make a big deal out of this Cardano Foundation or whatever. Whatever, dude. It doesn't matter. How many times I gotta tell you it don't matter, dude? It don't matter. It's gonna go up. It's gonna go up. And then you sell it. Reevaluate in 4 years. Because I'm not buying Cardano in the bear market this time. Lawsuits are next. What are you talking about, lawsuits? Who are they suing? Who's suing who? People are talking about it. You have your finger on the Cardano sell button. I need to make a diamond vagina emoji. I'm not bailing on ADA. Dr. Payne is. What, like, clean the wax out of your ears. The infighting is the only thing that makes any sense. It's supposed to be a government. I don't know that there's really any more infighting than anyone else. They're passionate. Kind of like Kurt says, they're passionate. They're fighting for what they believe in. How long will urine go? How low will your? I don't know. I don't pay attention. There's a few people. Paper vag. Yeah, paper vag. Yeah, you're right. Diamond vag ain't right. Paper vag. Lettuce vag. I don't pay, like, you're not the only person that's brought up urine lately. I think it was our trades or Chris. No, Chris. Why does anyone pay attention to this? I have no idea. You want to buy urine at $500? That's not going to happen. $9K? What do you want to buy at 500? Do I think urine will go I don't know, dude. It was 4K in November. Is that why everyone's all excited? Oh, get $500 worth? I mean, it's probably a good investment. Urine will go up in the bull run. It's a solid, it's a blue chip. It's a blue chip DeFi on the bluish chip. Layer 1. But you're looking to turn 500 into, I don't know, 4,000. Yellow it. Go buy some Wojak. How high do we think Wojak? Velez, you still here? 50 billion sold from crypto since you've been on. How do you know? I want to hear that log. I want to hear that log. You wonder why I can't read your freaking chats right. IOG. Yeah, I want to hear that too. Wojak can do 10x from here? Minimum? Well, I mean, the earn chart says it could do an 8x. Look at the global market cap. We weren't pushing 4 trillion, bro. We were 3.7. Yeah, we've lost about 40, 50 billion. That's nothing. Bitcoin's crashing. It's over. When it's over. Yeah, this sucks, dude. I was all excited. Now it's going to be a rainy day. It's not going to be a lovely day. Like Bill Weathers said, it's going to be a rainy day. Everything's crashing. East down. I don't even want to look at Coinbase. I should have sold some calls. Down $11. Ugh. What's out? What news is out that all of a sudden crypto's like, well, we're 108,000. Let's just crash. Kirk Cousins will end up in the Hall of Fame. Is that what caused Bitcoin to crash? Bitcoin, kind of hard to ignore this. Is this it right here? Trend line? I mean, that did outperform or right at. Does TA work? This says about 115K. I don't know what trend line this guy's looking at. He's on the 1 month. Kind of hard to ignore? Not really. Like, I don't really see what you're seeing, bro. We go to the fatties. Like, what is this guy? What chart is he looking at? I don't get it. Is that the 1 minute? Is he on a log or something? Yeah, whatever. TA stupid, guys. Fibonacci's, moving averages. I'll give you some relevance. Kind of help you pick a direction. All right, Bitcoin's trying to recover. We're bouncing. Dead cat bounce. Fibonacci's, hell yeah. Christmas spending. It will bounce. Yep. You called it. It's bouncing. A diddly 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 dee. I'm the overweight lover heavy tea. What am I aping into, guys? I just got a little windfall this morning. What am I aping into? I think I'm just gonna ape it into fiat. Just leave it in that dirty, dirty fiat. I would have to make I just screwed up. I would have to make a 10x. And I don't know that I want to risk it. It's nice to have a little bit of cushion in your bank account. You know what I mean? And I got a decent sized cushion. I can get that toilet. Hell, I could probably. get my floors done. Although I don't know what floors cost these days. Tom, 10K Sui or Ondo? Bro, you're going to have to make your own decision on that one. I like them both. I think Ondo has more upside. I think both will win. Ondo has, I don't know, like Ondo just has that, like how much of a player are they going to be in real world assets with treasuries? Are they going to be involved at all with the BlackRock stock market? Get a new mic? Why would I get a new mic? Has there been any mic issues today? Just to get rid of the blue tape? Is the blue tape? There has been 0 mic issues today, right? INOQ or QBTS? I wouldn't invest in those. Those are high risk stocks. Your mic is working just fine. I already told you the blue tape. Are you just trolling me, Jason? Yeah, there's the issue is this wire, but I've taped it so there's minimal movement on it. Maybe a deep throated. Maybe yeah. Now it doubles as an anal vibrator. I reverse the flow of sound and turn on some bass, and it's like. I calm down. I take this foam part off, and then I wipe it off with alcohol when I'm done. Dump it. Nah, Palantir. I don't know about all that, bro. I like Palantir, but here's my problem with, and I saw this morning, and this worries me. That's a pretty big market cap for someone that has $200 million in revenue. Kurtz bricked. Yeah. This one's a little hot. I am not buying Palantir right here. I don't know how you guys have so much faith in projects that have no track. Like what? Ondo? And Sui? Dr. Payne trying to reason with the man that his net worth, his life depends on the success of this. Velez's net worth and life savings is in Wojak's hands. Can't be it behind Sui. Sui's a very good reason to get behind it. They know what they're doing. They know how to market, and it will do well in a bull run. Whether or not the coin does everything it says it does, how many times I got to tell you, none of that matters, dude. It doesn't matter that Solana sucks. Solana fakes their transactions. You can get front run. All the big players are nickel and diming you and ripping you off. That it's massively. It takes a massive amount, like petabytes, to just store it because it's inefficient, that it goes down, that they have no real roadmap, that they suck. It doesn't matter. It's going to go up. I am so F for fantasy football. Yeah, David Montgomery hurts. Narrative. Sui's going up. They're playing the game right. Whether or not they make it long term, I don't know what to tell you. I'm not holding anything but Bitcoin going into the bear market. And all those little guys, I'm a no maxi. I'm a Bitcoin maxi. I'm a legit Bitcoin maxi now, guys. And I'm not a Bitcoin maxi where I say Bitcoin is real and everything else is just a fake Ponzi. I'm not that hardcore. I'm a Bitcoin maxi, and I think Ethereum is a blue chip. And it's solid going forward. I don't hate anyone that would hold Ethereum into the bear market. I won't be. I'll buy it later. And all these layer ones, they can continue all their little petty fighting. I'm unfollowing everyone in every crypto community I'm following. Cardano, mostly Cardano. I'm unfollowing all the Cardano people. And I'm going to have a stress-free bear market. And we're going to hang out and make money in the stock market. Anyone that brings up crypto in the bear market will get a lifetime ban. You can buy Bitcoin later. I will be buying Bitcoin later. I'm not selling the Bitcoin I have. I have a no-sell Bitcoin policy. I have an accumulate Bitcoin in the bear market policy. Maybe Wojak is the play. Kurt, you legit thinking about buying some Wojak? Because that would be breaking news. Agreed. In the bear, BTC and ETH maxi, 1,000%. Now, maybe something happens like Solana crashes to $8 again. Or SWE crash. You know what I'm saying? I might throw a little slice at something like that. But it's mostly going to just be Bitcoin. A Bitcoin. The only person you need to follow is Meet Kevin. Awesome. Keep stacking. Thank you, Contagion. Yeah, you definitely want to be subscribed to Meet Kevin. That guy's not a con artist at all. He's not trying to milk you out of your money for garbage courses, trying to get you to invest in some IPO that you got to be an accredited investor for, or one of the dumbest ideas for a corporation I've ever seen in my life, so that he could fly around on his $13 million jet and post videos of him spending your house hack money on learning how to shoot an AR-15 shotgun and have a drone film him and Tesla Cybertrucks. And yeah, I'm sure all those corporate funds, all that money you're sending him, all those, I would love to meet one person that became a millionaire because of Meet Kevin, or became super successful. His real estate course is probably pretty good. That's what you want to do. John Wick Kevin. Meet Kevin with an MEAT. Definitely go get advice from Meet Kevin. He's a financial advisor, but he's not your financial advisor. And his technical analysis that he started doing, he started learning in 2020, and now you can take his course on. His technical analysis is the best on the internet. His lines hit. I've never seen a guy have their lines hit so many times as Meet Kevin. I mean, of course, there's 47 lines on the chart. Eventually, the chart's going to hit one of them. Get horse hacked. Get house hacked, mofo. Lee, stay hating on MK Ultra around these parts. As far as YouTubers that aren't crypto, I follow Minority Mindset and Clear Value Tax. I think, is Clear Value Tax that Asian guy that's trying to become Doge? That guy's a baller. He is a baller, but he's probably the reason you got that self-directed Roth IRA on Fidelity that you won't shut up about. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's this guy. Yeah, I don't watch all his videos. I watch his he is definitely high value. This guy is really good. You are jelly and missing out? Probably. Minority Mindset, is that the... I think I know. I was thinking of a white dude, but why would he be named Minority? These are... Oh, I think I've seen a video of his before. I don't know. He's kind of scary. I don't know if you can trust someone in a turban. He's smart. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I've seen his videos before. At least like one or two. Maybe I'm being a little bit racist. Guys, am I being racist? That's not like me, right? I would never be racist. A little bit of Ondo.
Redfin just published a new housing market report where they said America will become a renter nation in 2025.
It's got 2 million prescribers. What's this guy talking about? Usually. Money. Yeah. No, I'm sure he's a great channel. I like Maverick of Wall Street, I think, was another one I used to watch from time. I don't watch any of this shit anymore, bro. That crypto tax value is really good. This guy's too off the rails lately with politics. He's kind of one of the shock jocks that the market's going to crash all the time, too. Oh. I mean, oh, don't you double charge me is better, a little better than what I can't get out of my head. A little bit of Ondo in your life. All right, let's check in. How's Bitcoin doing? $106.4, make a little bit of a comeback. What about Leo and longevity? He'll teach you the right way to extend your itty bitty dicky. Who's Leo? ETH not doing well? I mean, it's doing okay, but I agree. It's good to get outside opinions. Can't trust crypto. I don't. No, look. That guy looks like he's a great place to go get content. He's probably much better than Meet Kevin. Yeah, that's what I was saying. Maverick is good, but he's a perma bear. Yeah, his content's really good. Really good. But it's, it's kind of like, remember that Johnny Bravo guy? Probably don't. But he's decent content. But it never changes, and the world's coming to an end. Maverick of Wall Street's really kind of like hardcore gone that way lately. Hey, baby. Yeah. So this guy, get out now. Like every one of his videos is this.
Well, it's been a year, but yep, LA still a dumpster fire. Los Angeles is going from bad to worse, which I am about to show you when I...
The end. Get out now. Prepare for catastrophe. Emergency this Friday. Shit's on fires. John did something no president. This happened seconds ago. That minority dude is going to blow up. Oh, Jason is the racist in the house. He's going to blow up live. Oh my goodness, Jason. That is just not right. It's all in jest, guys. He's kidding. When am I moving to Texas? I don't know. That guy has a Whopper crank. Who has a Whopper crank? Johnny Bravo? Jason has no chill. Retro is just straight gamer speak. Do you walk around in real life speaking gamer speak? Retro? You say no chill to people in real life? How many times have you used cooked and let me cook and I'm cooking in real life? Yeah. I say GG's yeah. Maybe it's time. You're about that age when I pulled my head out of my ass and put some of my efforts in learning how to be in just a bargain basement dial-up tech support to a full-on baller, highly certified network system and cloud engineer, and started making the real bucks. Pulled myself out of a $15 an hour job in a ghetto apartment to owning my own house. I'm just saying, a little motivation for you, brother. I think you have it in you. If you could make a bunch of money, grind it out hard for 10 years, still game a little bit. How long ago? I would say when I was about 22 years ago is when I really started pulling my head out of my ass and went hard. Instead of playing World of Warcraft 12 hours a night, I would white box servers and learn how to do Exchange, learn how to do Citrix, and then eventually would get real life switches and lab them up. You guys got it made now. You can just virtualize everything. MCSC. I started with MCSC and Windows NT in 1999. I became an MCP in 1999. I took 4 of the 6 classes. They didn't have MCSA back then. I didn't finish the last 2. It was really hard because it was all new to me. And you couldn't just virtualize things, right? And there wasn't a web. You had to read textbooks. There was a web, but it wasn't like it is now, right? And then later I got MCSA 2003, and then CCNA, and then MCSE 2012, and then CCNP router and switch, CCNP collaboration. Like I really went ham about 6 years ago, getting a bunch of certifications. So, and then my pay skyrocketed like the next, I hit a bull flag, accumulated for a while, and then I did it again about 6 years ago. And now I just get a few certs here and there, little maintenance, little easy ones. You learn the game, you learn how to plus, I already know so much now that it's not as hard in the beginning when you didn't know crap. I was Sun Solaris certified. That's a good, you didn't keep up with any Linux certifications? Choo Choo? What's Choo Chooing? Pretty much anyone that could get a job, paper app. Yeah, there was a lot of, I'm a hands-on guy, right? Like give me the wrench and let me start cranking on the switches and the servers, and I pick it up quick. I don't pick it up too well in labs. It just doesn't stick in my brain. Virtualization, it kind of does. But back then it was just like all books and shit. Yeah, and you would just go get the dumps. I didn't get the dumps, but you just get the dumps and then you fake it till you make it. Jimmy, Unix admin, Red Hat, hell yeah. I read the Red Hat 5.0. I was learning Red Hat, all that. My manager told me go invest. Of course you didn't. Go invest in what? Oh, VMware. Yeah, I installed VMware 9 on server 2003. This is when you still installed it on Windows and it ran as a web server. I don't think that changed until 3, right? I don't remember. Maybe it was 2. I remember being 0.9 RC or something. Boot into both Red Hat. Yep. Double boot, double a boot, triple boot, all that. I did all that. I ran Gen 2. I was a Gen 2 guy for a while. Gen 2 was a great one to learn because you could do stage 1, 2, and 3, where you basically built the Lilo, you built the comps, you hand rolled it all. You really learned Linux. I ran Linux, rooted DNS servers at a previous job to handle our DNS. Now you just put it in Cloudflare. Everything's so easy now. That's also about the same time SAN became a thing. I became a SAN expert circa 2010. Nimbles, iSCSIs. Never really did fiber channel. Ran across it a few times. Never really sat one up. I did an EMC, but that was mostly with Dell Professional Services. Brocade. Yeah, Brocade. Fiber channel switching. I've been in one before. The zones, We do Brocade now. It's Ruckus. So we do Ruckus switching, but not really for iSCSI. Mike Smart, MCSE and Novell. Holy crap. Yeah, Novell was a thing back in the 90s. Gen 2 Stage 2. Hell yeah, bro. That was my jam right there. It took days. Yeah, you learn though. Hell yeah, Mike. Start. I think you mentioned yesterday you did networking. Novell, yeah, IPX, SPX. I never really did any of it, but you had to know it for the MCSE back because it was a pretty big thing back then. I don't think there's still you run across it every now and then. Someone mentions they still have some IPX, SPX stuff, I think, but those people need to move on. All right, Bitcoin 106.5, trying to make a comeback. My first cert was A+. Yeah, I know a lot of people that go that route. I went straight from 0 to 100. Dial up to trying to get MCSE. I would say if you're going to get into IT, definitely consider getting CCNA. It's a bit different now, but understanding networking is the foundation of everything. So being able to do VLANs and routing and dynamic routing protocols and all that make you a 10x engineer. Even if it's cloud, even if you're a cloud engineer, you're a 10x engineer. No, I don't care what you're doing in cloud. If you understand networking, you're a 10x engineer. I got a job from a guy I met in Quake, building servers in a warehouse. All right, let's stop talking about all this nerdy, geeky stuff. No one cares but me, you, and Mike Starr. I got to wrap this up anyway, guys. Got to get to work. Learning programming. Yeah, I don't know, dude. I would, go learn some Python. It's still if you're going to be in programming, learn, that's a tough one because AI is going to replace you. I mean, AI is replacing most of IT. So I don't know that I would encourage you to embark on an IT career, because it's going to be survival of the fittest. There will be still real people in IT, but you're going to have to be, basically an overlord to the AI. I don't know how much time is left. Security is great for now. I just don't know how, because that's all being IT driven now. We use AI like crazy. AI monitoring our M365 tenants for suspicious activity, monitoring all our servers and workstations and isolating them. You know what I'm saying? One person is all it takes for thousands and thousands of tenants and clients and blah, 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 blah. You know what I'm saying? I'm just saying, bro. I don't know. AI is going to be a massive disruptor. Maybe we'll all be on UBI in the next 20 years. There's nothing wrong with that, I guess. You're not going to be rich. So get rich now. Hard to say. Yeah, it's happening fast. I think it's coming faster than people want to admit. I'm not worried about it. I'll probably be dead. I'll be retired. I won't be retired after this bull run, but if I have to retire and I can get UBI or Social Security or whatever, I'll probably be all right. All right, everyone. Be blessed. Be safe. You too. You too. Definitely. I don't know if crypto's popping off tonight. I might pop on, but kind of want to play some Rust tonight with my boy Dino. He might have that dance class crap tonight. All right, everyone. Have a great day. It's a Tuesday. Love you all. Peace. Hit the like. Hit the subscribe.